Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rumbai, bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. In their speeches, some politicians associate the issue of unaccompanied minors, that is, foreign adolescents who arrive in Europe without an adult by their side, with the problem of juvenile delinquency, insinuating that they should be distrusted and that the state should protect its citizens from their possible actions. Father John Mary Peit, Salesian of Don Bosco and coordinator of the Don Bosco Social Action Network (DBAS), belonging to the France-Belgium South Province (FRB), says he is outraged by these comments. The Salesian Don Bosco Foundation in the Dominican Republic, the RICA Foundation and the Pedro Henriquez Uria National University (UNPHU) signed a collaboration agreement on Thursday, 4th of July 2024 with the aim of promoting common projects and activities for the development of young people and society in general. The signing ceremony was held at the UNPHU campus. Among the highlights of the triple agreement are access to the specialization program in environmental education aimed at teachers, the organization of conferences on environmental issues, the realization of joint research and publications, the strengthening of the volunteer program, and the execution of joint campaigns and initiatives. Disha Don Bosco, in collaboration with the National Career Service (NCS) and Indian government agency, organized a job fair event on 5th of July designed to connect job seekers with potential employers. Father V. Rayappa spoke at the opening ceremony and stressed the importance of these initiatives for the achievement of significant and dignified employment opportunities. The job fair was attended by 18 companies that set up stands and conducted interviews, and a total of 244 candidates, each of whom put their skills and aspirations on the table. At the end of the event, 134 candidates secured a job offer. This significant result not only highlighted the success of the event, but also demonstrated the importance of collaboration between actors of different types for the creation of job opportunities. Great joy marked the day on Saturday, 6th July at the Divino Niño Parish in Puerto La Cruz, when the priestly ordination of Israel Hernandez, a new Salesian priest at the disposal of the church to serve God's people, was celebrated. The ceremony, conducted by Bishop Johnny Reyes SDB, Bishop of Puerto Ayacucho, was the moment of deep emotion and celebration for the Salesian community, with the young people and committed lay people who gathered to accompany the new priest on this special day. The ceremony was attended, among others, by Father Fernando Miranda, Superior of Spain's Mary Help of Christians Province (SMX), from which the new priest comes, and his formator, Father Antonio Kifunte. On July 5th, the second Provincial Assembly of Coordinators of Oratories and Youth Centers was held, which highlighted the commitment of the Salesian Province, St. Peter Claver of Colombia, Bogota, COB, for the protection and well-being of minors. The event included various training activities and the participation of representatives of different processes of the Salesian mission. During the assembly, workshops were held led by the Office for Good Treatment of the Archdiocese of Bogota, focused on the prevention of child abuse and the creation of safe environments, highlighting the crucial role of the educator in the educational community. In addition, the speaker coordinators shared their experiences and processes, highlighting the commitment of all those involved in the protection of minors. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. This is Mona Lisa signing off. Until we meet again, thank you for tuning in.